Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I treat the vachetta leather on my niece Minnie. So this is my first time doing this and I wanted to make sure that I wash my hands. The reasoning behind this is, you don't want to have natural oils on the bag. We have natural oils on our hand, and if we put that on the leather and then treat it, there is a chance that the oil will just become more pronounced if it gets on the leather. So to be sure, I just wash my hands. Then of course I dry it just to make sure my hands aren't wet, because you don't want to use wet hands when doing this. So what I do is I just take some paper towel and I lay it out. I do want to let you guys know that I do want to do a word of the day, so I'm going to try to add that in here at some point while I'm showing you how I treat. So I grab my niece Minnie and I just lay it out just to see what I'm working with. It's really small. I have a whole unboxing if you want to see how this looks. So I use the Apple brand or the Apple Guard stain repellent to do this. And in this when I first tried it, I decided that I was going to use some paper towel and I just stuck it underneath the handle. I just wanted to protect the canvas at this point, so I tried this route and I just started spraying away. As you can see, there were a little bit of sprays here, and then I got into the spraying. Like, I started to feel comfortable once I realized, like, okay, the leather isn't being damaged. And then all I did was just spray all the leather on the bag. So I did this on the top. There's some on like the edging on the bottom, you'll see as I do it here. And of course, if you get any on the canvas, you can wipe it off, and that's what I'm doing here. So just grab either the same paper towel if it's not soaked or if it doesn't have a lot of the repellent on it, or just grab a new paper towel and just clean it off that way. Here you'll see me just making sure I got the leather underneath, like where you would grab it, and making sure that I protect that as well. And then of course wiping the canvas. I'm gonna let you watch that for a little and wiping it again. While I'm here, I'm just gonna do a word of the day, and my word of the day for today is care. So in caring for someone, you want to make sure that you tell them things they don't want to hear. Yes, it may be difficult for people. Yes, it may make you feel some way when you say it, but it shows that you care for someone, genuinely care for someone, when you tell them something that they don't want to hear. Really quick, I decided that I wanted to do this twice because I'm going to show you my Neverfull here. I do have a little bit of staining on this Neverfull, so I wanted to make sure that I treated the niece well. So I did it. I let it sit for 30 minutes, which some people say 24 hours. I waited 30 minutes and then I proceeded to do the same process over again. I tried to protect the canvas more this go round with paper towel, but realized it really didn't matter. If you find a way to cover your canvas, then of course you can. I found it difficult with the paper towel that I was using, so I just decided to go ahead. Of course, I'm wiping it here. And like I said, repeating all the steps over again, getting all the leather and spraying it. So yes, with the word of the day, caring, you want to make sure that you tell people things they don't want to hear. Yes, they may have a hard time, but you know genuinely in your heart that you're just doing it because you're just pointing out things that sometimes others don't see, and it's something that may need to be changed, and that just shows that you care. And in that situation, it may seem hard, it may seem difficult, but it's the right thing to do. So yes, just wiping off the repellent here. And you just honestly continue doing this until you feel like you've done enough. And remember, try to keep this 6 to 9 inches away. There were periods where I got a little too close and I definitely had to back up. So remember to keep your distance. If you find that you're getting too close, just back away and continue to spray your bag. I really hope that you found this video helpful, guys. I'm going to be doing another video where I show you how to add a scarf to the handle to give a little more protection, so stay tuned. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.